Have you ever watched a movie so powerful that for a moment it felt as if it was your own story that was being reflected right here on the screen? Because the moment when Toastmaster Dominic stepped onto the stage, it was nothing but a power packed performance full of surprises. There was laughter, there was humor, even tears that were being shed, and of course, innocent yet relatable thirst for revenge. And just when we thought we knew where this was headed, he brought in a commendable twist. A turning point that challenged perceptions and left us with something to learn from. But like every great movie, perhaps there were a few plot points that he may have overlooked. And this evaluation aims to highlight those areas so that Toastmaster Dominic's future speeches shine incandescently. Starting with, now Toastmaster Dominic displayed confident body language and strong vocabulary, both of which immediately drew us in. Secondly, he created very vivid and sensory experiences because see, through his words, we could almost look as if his childhood were unfolding right before our eyes. The people, the places, the community he grew up with, the alkaline nature of the beach, the salt, we could taste it. And of course, the emotions, all incandescently brought to life through his storytelling. And finally, coming towards his movement on stage, they were balanced and natural because each gesture and each step added a sense of purpose and meaning that complemented his message without ever feeling rehearsed, let alone animated or forced. Now, if there is one particular area that I would want Toastmaster Dominic to focus on, that would surely be his vocal variety and his expressions. Because at times I felt his tone remained steady but monotonous. Introducing a wider range of emotions through his voice and adding in a little bit more of facial cues would have made his delivery even more dynamic and engaging. For instance, when he narrated the incident about Karthik slapping him at the back of his head, instead of saying, "Karthik came and slapped me at the back of my head," "Karthik came and smacked me at the back of my head. Stupid kid, get your head out of my car, remove your hands off my car." That tonality would have added more conflict. Because by adding in these particular cues, it would help the audience, it would help us feel the highs and the lows of his story more vividly, just as he intended to. In conclusion, Toastmaster Dominic's speech, he delivered a performance that was engaging, relatable and rich in storytelling, but perhaps with a bit more of vocal variety, a bit more of dynamism in his facial expressions. He's well on his way to create a truly memorable experience on every stage he speaks on. Back to you, Toastmaster of the Day.